In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your website URL in Wix. If you've ever struggled to find your site URL, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're just getting started with Wix or looking to share your site with the world, understanding how to access your URL is essential. So let's dive into it and walk through each step clearly and thoroughly. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. The dashboard is like your command central. It's where you manage everything related to your Wix website. Once there, take a look under the section labeled My Sites. Within this section, find Site Actions and then go ahead and click View Site. This action will help you to access a preview of your site. When you open this, the URL of your website will appear in the browser's address bar. It's that simple. This URL is a pathway leading to your site, and it's what you can share with others so they can visit it. Now, let's make sure our settings are correct by checking the site settings. Back to the dashboard we go, and this time you're going to click on Settings. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to domains. In the domain section, you'll either see a free Wix URL or your own custom domain. If you're using a free Wix site, your URL will typically have a structure like username.wixsite.com site name. On the other hand, if you've purchased a custom domain, you should see it listed there, like www.example.com. Understanding the difference is crucial because users with a custom domain will have a more personalized and professional looking URL. Lastly, let's cover what to do if your site is already published. This is straightforward. All you need to do is open your site in a browser. The moment you do, look at the address bar. What you're seeing is your live site URL. It's your website's home on the internet, and anybody can use that URL to visit your site. It's the link you'll share in emails, social media, business cards, or any other places where you want people to find you. And there you have it. We've covered how to find and verify your Wix URL, whether it's straight from the dashboard or from your published site. Now, go ahead and enjoy sharing your site with the world, knowing exactly where to find your URL when you need it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your Wix website. Thanks for watching and happy site building!